Oh my god, there we go! Yes! Finally! 3,418. It's taken a while. Wow, okay. I'm just gonna share in the stream chat that I'm watching. Shout out to Hawk's Hideout, Dan. There we go. Let's catch it. Alright, finally. Number 5. Number 5 of the shiny shield squad. Stop. Just get caught, please. This boy's gonna become a dreadnought. Let me just turn the music on for me, because I actually can't hear it. Oh, I suppose... Is there even any music? There is, okay. Woo! Okay. I wasn't sure if there was music or not. I couldn't remember if I turned it on again. Alright. Come on. Ugh. Chewtle, and I think Dreadnought is one of the coolest new mons this gen. Like, I really like him. I have to admit, I'm not the biggest fan of Shiny Chewtle, but I think... There we go. Shiny Dreadnought's pretty cool, though. I do like him. Yes! Let's have a wee peep in Pokemon Camp here. Aw, yes. Where are you at? Hello. He's very small, like all these like giant mons, and there's just this wee tiny turtle. Aw, look at him. Show off. Okay, anytime today, bruh. Come on. I don't think I'll be throwing the ball for him. I think this is taking plenty of time. Hey. Oh, I do like him. Actually, I like him more. Now that I'm seeing him up close, I do like him. Like, and in the game, I do like him a bit more than I thought I did.
It's the correct answer.
Oh, thanks for the follow, Coffee Powered. They're from the aforementioned stream chat. Not that they can hear me saying thank you. Wow. Okay. Alright, so I'll be back for the evolution after I get this guy EV trained, and I suppose we should have a wee look at the nature and stuff. Because I don't really want to grind for BP, but I might have to. That is definitely not the nature for him. I would be very confident in saying that. So, naive. Fair enough. Fair enough. Alright, so I will be back for the evolution. Thanks for checking out the video. Alright guys, it is time to evolve this Chewtle. I've EV trained him, but he is going to need an ability, or not an ability capsule, a nature mint. So because I'm going to have to grind out the battle tower a bit, I thought I might as well just get this guy evolved already. Let's give him 20 to start, I suppose. And here we go, we'll get our shiny Dreadnought. Yeah, he's pretty cool, I like him. I do like him. I like him better than Chewtle. I'll sort out his moveset later. All I know is Liquidation and Crunch. One question I did have was what ability does he have when he evolves? Because I want him to have Strong Jaw Shell Armor. So I do have an ability capsule. I mean, I don't really want to use it, but I guess I'm gonna have to, huh? Because I have to be honest, I didn't really like grinding out the battle tower very much, but anyway. Let's peep Shiny Dreadnought here. Why couldn't they just have a Pokemon Center? I don't understand why they couldn't have a Pokemon Center thing. Oh well. Do you move any faster at the very least? I mean, a tiny bit. Yeah, I mean, he does. He does. What up, bruh? Boop. Yeah, he's pretty cool. I like him. Anyway, that's gonna be this video. Next up will be Yamper, which will be the last of my shiny squad, and then who knows what comes next? I certainly don't. So hope to see you there for that one. Thank you for watching and all that. Goodbye.